except for he's going back to me. So for today's beauty, we are going to have Casey Wynn with us from La Bella Vita, and he usually comes in and shows us some makeup tricks, but this time he's going to show us how to make those makeup looks last longer.
Yes.
Well, thank you for joining us.
Right.
What is the first makeup trick we're going to learn today?
Well, there's like different areas you want to make last even longer, like shadow. When we did Rose's shadow this morning, we put like a liquid base down, or you could do a concealer or anything like that, and it intensifies the shadow, makes it last even longer. We set her liner with a coordinating shadow right over the top of it, and that will give you all day wear with that as well.
Yeah, because I think a lot of women have that issue where they, spend all this time and then halfway through their workday, it looks like it all came off.
It's just gone, or it creases, so that helps a lot. There's a Color Options Transformer by Aveda at La Bella Vita that's really fantastic as a primer for the eye. And then with cheeks, always put a little translucent powder right over your blush. Make sure that you can kind of just set it. You won't change the color, but it'll give it like all day wear. So.
Does that work for foundation as well?
Most definitely. You should be using some sort of primer as well. So. What we're going to do with the lips is we're going to put down, this is going to last a long time. First we're going to put down some sort of lip treatment, and then over the top of that, if you can use concealer on the lips, and I like that a lot, but a lot of times people don't put down a lip treatment.
I would think, does that dry out the lips? Because I tend to have drier lips.
But if you put a lip treatment down first.
So that's what helps it?
And then it helps it so that it doesn't get that cakey look.
So this is really going to help people. I know that lipstick has really been on trend lately. I think a lot more people have been trying to wear it, kind of go out of their comfort box. So these steps are really going to help make sure that it lasts and doesn't kind of
It doesn't crease, it doesn't, you don't end up eating it off. It's going to make it last a long time.
So then this is the pencil, right?
This is our lip liner that we're going in right over the top of that concealer, and we're going to smooth it in a beautiful Christmas color. And we're going to just kind of blend it as our base. Isn't that pretty so far?
That's very pretty. And you don't even have the color on, right?
No, and that's not even the lip color. That's just our lip liner. And then this is finally going to be our Christmas lip color right over the top of that. And it's going to give you long wear, and it's going to last a long time.
Now, I feel like the two colors you use between the pencil and the gloss, it's a little bit different. How closely do you have to match the two?
Keep it within the same range. You don't want to use like a darker color and then try to put a lighter color over the top of it.
Yeah.
But we just did kind of a plum with kind of a nice Christmas red right over the top of that.
So it is very important, because sometimes I skip the pencil part, the liner part. So you would say it's pretty important.
Well, it's pretty important because it holds that lipstick right in that line. Make sure that the lipstick doesn't go into the creases or lines around the lip. It's just going to really hold it on and make sure that, you can go from work to party.
And not have to worry about half of your makeup on, half of it off.
Yeah, definitely. So.
Well, perfect. Thank you both so much for coming in. Hopefully we can all keep our makeup on lasting a little bit longer in this new year.